Simplero Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Simplero review. Links to Simplero and related resources are provided in the description for your convenience. Simplero is an all-in-one platform designed for course creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs who need a reliable solution for managing online businesses. Its primary focus is to help users seamlessly create, market, and deliver online courses or memberships without relying on multiple tools. Simplero stands out for its comprehensive feature set. It includes everything from course hosting and website creation to email marketing and customer relationship management, CRM. This integrated approach is ideal for solopreneurs or small teams who want to streamline operations and avoid the complexity of managing separate platforms. Simplero's built-in marketing automation tools enable users to create email campaigns, funnels, and even track lead behavior, ensuring you can connect with your audience effectively. A significant advantage of Simplero is its intuitive interface. Setting up courses is straightforward, even for beginners, with drag-and-drop capabilities and customizable templates. You can organize your content into modules, lessons, or even drip-feed it based on user progress. Simplero also supports multimedia, so you can include videos, PDFs, and quizzes to enhance the learning experience. From a customer management standpoint, Simplero excels with its robust CRM functionality. You can track leads, manage client relationships, and even segment audiences for more targeted marketing. The platform also integrates payment processing, allowing for easy sales of courses, memberships, or digital products. Its secure checkout system supports global currencies, making it suitable for creators with an international audience. While Simplero offers excellent features, it's important to note that it comes at a higher price point than some competitors. However, the value lies in its all-in-one nature, eliminating the need for additional software subscriptions. Additionally, their customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, ensuring users can quickly resolve issues. In conclusion, Simplero is a powerful tool for anyone looking to build and scale an online business with minimal hassle. It's especially suited for creators who value integration and efficiency. Check out the links in the description to explore Simplero and see how it can support your business goals.